Hey guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, and today I'm going to be making slime! Yay! Before I get started, I have to, I have to get the ingredients, and this is going to be a no glue slime. I'm going to need dish soap, let me think. I need something powdery, so I'm going to use flour. I'll be right back with the flour. I don't have that, but I'm going to use coffee for the flavor. And next, I'm going to need a bowl and a spoon. And food coloring, I almost forgot. And some hair products. I'll be right back with that. And I'm going to need the food coloring. Okay, guys. First, I'm going to put the soap. No lotion, because, yeah. Then I'm going to put this. Oh, yeah. Push too close. Push it on it. Coffee. Then I'm going to mix that. And I'm going to get toothpaste. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of that in. Just a little. Oops. I decided I will use lotion to make it fluffy. And if you didn't know, you're not supposed to use the coffee beans. You take those out because those are just to give it a smell. I have to do this whole method over. Restart. Okay guys, I literally had to put that out. It legit smelled like coffee and I didn't like it. So this dish soap will work. So I'm just gonna pour that in. Same methods. This time toothpaste. Actually toothpaste should give it the smell. So I'll be right back again. And yeah, I'm just gonna mix that together real quick. Oh my gosh, it's legit turning into slime already. I'm gonna need okay, so basically add some of this now. That just kind of is gonna bring it together. And then I added my beeswax. And now I'm just about to mix that in. The smell is like legit stinky. Well, let me just add this head control. And then I have to put powder in it. Dummy. Jeez, it's so... Oh. This one, if you have this kind of edge gel, like it's literally already slime. Like look at this, hold on. Okay guys, so I added more toothpaste, stuff like that. And this is actually looking like slime right about now. So I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Guys, I added more of it, and look, I made the slime. Yes, I added more orange. Okay, I'm done. Let me go play with it in my room. Okay guys, so I just got a little bit of my slime, and I just wanted to tell you that it's really fun to play with, and I'm going to show you the poking game. I don't have a little poking station, but yeah, I do. Let me go get some more of my slime.
Well, that happened. Is it over? Can we talk about this? No. Because that was your first kiss and it was with Farkle.
This is so fun.
Still counts. Now for the rest of your life, when people ask you, hey Riley, who was your first kiss? You're gonna have to say...
Eyes look your last.
Oh yeah.
Arms take your last embrace. And lips owe you the doors of breath. Seal with the righteous kiss.
Hi.
Hi.
How long you been here?
Yeah, I saw the whole thing. I just can't believe that little guy stole my moment. Again.
You thought that was your moment?
No.
Oh.
My moment will be...
Anyways, I'm about to go pick up this tablet and put this in. Hold on, let me put it in the corner where I first had it.
How you doing? I like that we end up in situations like this. You're doing the right thing.
And then I'll do 5 Below projects on
Maya, I know how much
Monday.
you want to lock it with the family inside it. You want the truth?
That's
Yes,
my
please.
bowl of slime, like
My
right
father
there.
hasn't sent me anything in a long
Like
time.
it's so hard to do with
And
the
the
slime because
universe
I
is
make it
probably much
like
too
really
busy to notice
thick.
whether or not I'm doing the right thing.
But it's so freaking fun to play with. And kind of sticky, so I went and added more cornstarch. With the cornstarch.
Hi. I think this belongs to you. Oh my gosh. I've been looking all over for that. Thank you.
I've got to make it more slimy now.
Thank you. Never lose this. Cool universe. Huh?
Okay guys, so I'm about to put it back on in this corner again, and I don't want my hand to be dirty on my camera.
Don't blow this.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard to get off. Like,
Hi.
I'm legit not lying.
So, you remember that time you were really mad at me?
You mean right now?
This is legit
Yeah.
thick.
Yeah, that one.
I mean,
Listen, can I tell you the truth about something?
legitly thick.
It doesn't really matter what you make for dinner. It's that you are in our house with me. Thank you for being in
Okay,
our
I'm
house.
just about to spread it around this cabinet.
There's nowhere else I'd rather be. Kiss, kiss?
Because you love me?
Yes. And because it quiets you down.
Nothing to do like I do right now. Who else watched the Kids' Choice Awards? I'm just gonna ask while I'm taking off this mess. Okay.
Hey,
This
are
is
those new
legit
sneakers you're endorsing?
sticky.
Yeah, they're called Moonwalk.
I don't even care.
They're good on the basketball court.
If you
or the
see,
dance floor.
look, it's not ready,
Anyway,
but
the shoe
I don't
company
have
wears
time.
these every time I perform.
Oh my gosh,
You
I'm
can
getting my
debut
tablet
tonight on
dirty.
Video Countdown Live. I am so excited for the Awesome Moon special.
Guys, I'm about
Nice
to go
work,
wash my
Trish.
hands and then.
Hey, it's my job.
Oopsies, I
managers would
keep
be
dropping my
happy with a simple
clothes.
thank you.
I mean,
I'm not like
slime.
Here's a list of things you can
Once
buy
it
me.
gets slimy, I'll post another video.
I can't wait to see what fans voted on for your top 10
This is
performances.
just straight up.
I
not
personally voted 700 times for Finally Me. That's Ali's song. I've never performed it. Hey.
Okay, guys. I found out if you wash your hands. All kinds of slime on my tablet. No! Problems when making slime. I gotta go wipe you guys off. I'll be back. Oh my gosh. I just realized instead of me going to the bathroom to keep washing my hands, I could just use this as a mat. But anyways, let me wipe. Ooh. This is a very expensive tablet, so yeah.
How did you get those?
Well,
Let me just wipe
I
this
certainly
side off
didn't
with
sneak into
water.
shredders, take them out of your bag,
Screen.
then lure you back here to
Let me
write
do
me a love
something. Let
song.
me just take all the water
Why does
out
it
to
seem
make
like
it
that's
dry
exactly
but
what you
wet.
did? I can't write a song. I have to
And-
do VCL right now.
Well, then you better write fast. Or the shoes. Get
Okay, I'm about to go clean the back. Oh, the bag definitely needed a cleaning. Okay guys, I'm done with that. And now if you notice, with wet hands, hold on. I don't even know if you can see it, but hold on. Yeah. You can clearly see that it's not getting stuck. So have wet hands or make your clay or something like that wet so you won't have to go through what I did. Now it's getting dry. Now I need to make it wet. And I'm gonna call this slime my orange slime, like the fruit orange. Yeah, so yeah, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you guys.